Okay, hello everyone. I am Diksha from Evento, and today we have a live session with Renuka Shetty. We are coming up with live sessions, collaborating with more and more vendors. So we are looking forward for you all to come in and join us for this journey of live sessions. So today, talking about Renuka Shetty. Renuka Shetty is amongst A-listed makeup artists. She has carved her own niche in makeup industry and she scores full points when it comes to makeup. She is such a humble and sweet person to talk to. Even in person, we have loved her. Her work is fantabulous. She has dressed best of the brides, even coming from the fashion industry, and has dolled up models of lifestyle models and runway for the same. Now we have her. We are going to join with her. So yeah, adding her to this video to brief us more about this.
Hi.
Hi Renuka, I
Hello.
cannot
Hi.
see you.
You're not able to see me?
No, your video is not visible.
Oh my goodness. I can see you.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see me?
No, I cannot still.
Um,
I can hear you though, but I'm not able to see you in the
oh,
screen.
I don't what to do.
Should I add you again? Just wait.
Yeah.
Let me
Add
add you.
again. Add again.
Oh, sorry. Let us add her again. I guess there's some network issue.
Now is it okay? Now is it connecting?
No, it is not yet connected.
Oh my goodness. Why? What's happening?
I
Oh
don't
God,
know.
Diksha.
It's giving me waiting.
Waiting.
No, are you able to see me?
Yeah, I'm able to see you.
So what the issue? Let me just check.
Add again.
Okay, I guess people are able to see us. Oh
Now?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
here you are. Hello.
Hi. So, how have you been, Diksha?
I've been good. What about you? How are your quarantine days going?
Oh, it's been really crazy. I'm like so busy taking live sessions and makeup sessions and all of that. Day and night, I think for my international clients also I've been taking. So
It's
that's
been
the
little tiring, but then
yeah.
enjoying on the same
Not
part.
tiring. It's really enjoying. It's really
Enjoying.
keeping me busy.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to pour in the questions for you.
Yeah.
And our audience is also waiting. We have so many connections. So yeah,
Yeah.
hello everyone.
Hi. Hi
So
everyone.
come
Hi Archie.
so coming up with the first question, we need to know makeup for office. Now that offices are opening and even work from home. So
Yeah.
yeah, and what's the tip for the season? Like monsoon is here. So yeah.
Yeah, monsoon is here, the onset of monsoon actually. We should be careful with the products that we're using now because we should use products which do not bleed in the rain. Like because of the rains, we have to use waterproof products basically, which will help us, retain it throughout the day so we won't have a problem. So I would emphasize only on eyes now because we're wearing the mask.
Mask.
So, except that we can buy those transparent masks and all that, and
Yeah.
so that our lips is also visible. So then, for eye makeup, I think we should emphasize more on the liner, the mascara, the smoky eyes around the eyes, like very, very light, just around the eyes, the day look. And I would emphasize more on browns than any, bright, bold colors for the day, office wear mainly. We should focus
Yeah.
only on browns. Yeah.
Brown color and some color like champagne maybe
Yeah,
can.
champagne actually in a corner, and you should go with gel liners. They are the best.
Yeah.
I swear by L'Oreal. I really love it.
Okay, so the brand you
Inglot
are
is
suggesting us is L'Oreal. That's
L'Oreal,
your.
and even Inglot is good. Inglot is also very good. Most of
Oh,
the makeup artists use Inglot, but I really love L'Oreal because it doesn't dry that fast. You get these drops from Inglot which you can add to these dried gel liners, and you can actually reuse it. But I swear by L'Oreal. I really love
L'Oreal.
it. And you
Okay.
get brown as well. Huh? You get
Yeah.
brown, you get various colors, so that you
Okay.
can use for office. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Now coming up, we need to make this eye makeup game strong.
Yes,
So,
yes,
and
yes.
even we need to check out our skin in monsoon. I mean, the product, the skin, how we apply, everything matters right now. So, what
Yeah.
are various other tips you're going
What
to
we should
highlight?
do is we should actually build up the products. Now we should build it up. You should go with very thin layers. You should not cake up your makeup ever. You should use moisturizer. Prepping is very important, be it any season, and we can actually be very liberal about moisturizer now because monsoon is there, so it's not like very sweaty kind of a weather. You have to be very careful in summers when you're using moisturizer. You have to use moisturizers which are not very creamy, which will cause you to sweat. But then in monsoon we can actually use we don't need to use too much of sunblock as well in this season, except for days when it is very sunny. And otherwise, we should mix it a little with the foundation. Even that works wonders at times. If you mix a little bit of cream into the foundation, it really gives you that very nice glow. And buffing is the catch. Like if you buff your skin very well with the foundation, it adds incredible glow. That
Okay,
really
so
helps.
buffing
Yeah.
is one of the
Yeah,
important
yeah,
aspects.
yeah, yeah. Buffing and you use your beauty blender, and nicely, so that it feels like skin. It should feel like your skin. It should not look very made up.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we even asked our audience to pour in their questions, which will be answered by Renuka ma'am. So you can come up with your questions as well. And which other brands and products do you suggest for eye? Like because
For
I,
eyes, like see eyebrows also. Eyebrows also, you should, Benefit has the best products for eyebrows. So you should actually go in for Benefit. And then there is Anastasia Beverly Hills, which
okay,
has these brow palette. There are so many various brands. According to your budget, you can actually decide on what you want to buy. Yeah.
exactly. And what other tips do you want to give? I mean, we
And
want more live sessions with
yeah,
you.
and thank you. It's really fun doing a live session. And I would say that with the curler, I would give this tip to everyone. You should use your lash curler, and on the
Okay.
inner corner you should put a gel liner, and then you should actually press it on to the very close to the lashes. So automatically that gel liner is applied on the tight line, and you're not messing it up because tight line when you go to do it, it's a little difficult.
Okay.
Lifting your eyes like this, and then there's
Right.
watery eyes and all of that. So it becomes a little better when you do it this way. This is a wonderful trick.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
we have one more question here that can you elaborate more about buffing? A little more.
Buffing, you get these nice brushes. I like Sigma brushes. You can
Okay.
go with the brushes of your choice, your budget. But then you should actually you have these very good buffing brushes. So you should go on and make sure that it's seamless. it's like it's all in a very clean way you should do it, that you can actually, if you don't know, if you're a newcomer, I mean you don't know makeup that much, you should actually go on and on and on. Hi Ami. Yeah.
So we have many of your
Yeah,
friends, and
yeah, many and many I must have missed also. I'm so engrossed in talking show sometimes. I'm sorry if I missed saying hi to anyone.
And what else? Can you elaborate a little about your online sessions which are going on? I am sure many people would love to join it.
Yeah, sure. I'll tell you. I have actually basic to a little advanced. I'm teaching in this online session, whereby I'm covering concealing, contouring, all of that,
Okay.
like foundation, of course, and eye
Okay.
makeup, various eye makeup, various
Okay.
like smoky eyes, the no makeup look. All that is covered in the session. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And what are the charges? Like, how can we? My
Yeah.
our customers and our viewers want to know that how can they become part of this?
You have to enroll. You can directly DM me, or
Okay.
you can, yeah, that's, and my number is there on my Instagram handle, so you can connect to me directly.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
we have this lovely sessions
Or
to all the viewers. Please be part of this. I'm sure this is going to be fantabulous and very learning. And in person, let me tell you, Renuka is amazing. I loved talking to her all this while and this session, obviously, of course. And we are definitely coming up with more live sessions frequently. And ma'am, some other tip or something.
I would say like what you can do is effortless, universally flattering look, I call it. You
Okay,
use a little bit of illuminizer in your foundation, and then
okay.
you use it all through your face, like the foundation that you thank you Achi. Don't
I
make
love
me
it
laugh.
too, though.
Thank you.
The lip shade.
Thanks a lot. And so, you know what, you should, you get that nice sheen to it, to your skin, and dewy makeup is in, let me tell you. You know,
Okay.
caked up makeup is good for cameras, for models. Not models actually. Models also prefer no makeup look. But then, sometimes for functions and all, we have to go a little heavy. But then
Yeah,
otherwise, I think
exactly.
you should stick to very dewy and very natural. That is the ingoing thing now, ongoing thing now.
Subtle is the
Yeah.
new cool.
Yeah, new cool, new cool. Hi.
Okay, ma'am. So we end our session here. I hope everyone enjoyed it. It was so
Yeah.
fun having you here.
Same here. I really enjoyed this live session with you, Diksha, and with others. I would go
Thank
through
you.
the comments.
So yeah,
Yeah,
Evento wants to have more live sessions with you and other vendors too. So you guys
yeah.
can collaborate with us. Come forward.
Sure, sure.
And here we go. Okay, bye bye.
Yeah, yeah. You can even book your slot with Evento if you have to enroll for
Yeah,
the makeup session. You can
exactly.
DM
You can
them
even
directly.
come to us and we'll directly connect
Yeah,
you with ma'am.
yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Thank you.
So
Hi,
okay, bye
Meenu.
bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Take care, stay
Bye.
safe.
Yeah, thank you. Stay safe.
Okay, so we had this amazing session with Renuka. We are coming up with more live sessions. Last session we had on Facebook with Javed Habib. You can just enroll there and just check that out. That is also of great benefit. And next sessions, please be with us. Please come up with your queries, and all the vendors and our friends out there who want to collaborate with us for more coming sessions, please do come forward, DM us. We are always there to like respond to your queries. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.